Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So for today's look, it's going to be a little bit different. So I've teamed up with some makeup artists on Instagram and we are doing collaboration looks, and today's look is fire and ice. That's why we don't have the spooky backgrounds anymore and we've gone back to plain black, which I do kind of blend in with, which isn't very good, but hope you like my Jack and Sally jumper. But yeah, so today's look is going to be fire and ice. So let's start with the look. So I'm going to start with the eyebrows, so classic usual stuff that I do use, the FMA palette, 17 browser. Let's get these eyebrows on.
Just stay right by your side, where you're lost and you cannot fight, and your mind running wild. I'll be there like the morning sun. Just stay right by your side.
Also guys, just a side note, if you do want to see everyone else's look for the collaboration, the link will be below in the description for my Instagram, where I will post everyone's look on the swipe screen, so you'll be able to see what everyone's done. So give us a like and a follow on Instagram as well.
People run, others just take the time. If you feel like I do.
So now the eyebrows are on. Base coat, P. Louise base in room 1.5. Little brush. Let's base these eyes.
Your mind running wild. I'll be there like the morning sun. Stay right by your side.
So as the look is fire and ice, we're going to subtly do the eyes. So one eye red, one eye blue for the fire and ice, obviously combination. And then I will let you know on what I am going to do with the rest of my face. So let's get going with these eyes. So taking the NYX Crimson, we are going to just do the outlines of one of my eyes. I'm going to use the shade Double Dare, which is an orange one, once again a NYX palette, just to blend out the red.
If you feel like I do, your eyes up to the sky.
I'm also going to use the NYX Ultimate Brights palette and use the yellow shade in the corner.
Searching for something deeper.
Taking the same red NYX palette, just go under your waterline, lash line, just under the bottom here. And then you're going to want to blend that out again with the orange NYX palette. Now I'm going to take the Revolution Strobe highlighter, sorry that it's so bright on the screen, and we're just going to put that in the corner of our eye and just do the brow bone as well.
Some people run, others just take the time.
So now that's done, you're going to want to take your black liquid liner or any eyeliner that you have, just to line your eye. Give yourself a nice little flick.
Learn to be true, searching for something deeper, finding you.
Now I'm going to take my black pencil liner and just do my waterline.
Running wild, I'll be there like the morning sun.
So there's the fire eye for the fire and ice. Now time to do the blue. I will be putting the lashes on, but I will be doing that later after I've done the rest of the face. I am also going to be putting more detail on the eyes, but stay tuned, I'll show you exactly what I'm going to be doing. So now time for the eyes side. So taking the NYX Ultimate Brights palette, once again going to be using these two shades here, which is this blue here and this turquoise teal sort of look. And we're going to be doing the dark, exactly how we've done on this side, the dark blue on the outside of the eye. now I'm going to take the Jacqueline Hill palette, Morphe one, and use the shade, I think, Pool Party, just to add a little bit more dimension, as there was only 2 colours on this and there's 3 colours on this one. So let's go in with that. Now taking the Revolution strobe again, we are going to just do as we did on the same eye, do the brow bone and the inner corner. So once again, same trick as this eye, do your liquid liner into your little flick and then you waterline with your pencil eyeliner.
Some people run, others just take the time. And if you feel like I do, you'll rise up to the sky. Taking me higher, lighter.
Right guys, so now the eyes are based down, we are going to just do our face, so concealer and foundation with powder and bronzer and the rest as well. So let's get to that. Now taking the Rimmel translucent powder, we're just going to set all the foundation and concealer down in place.
Morning sun, just stay right by your side.
So now all the base is done, I can tell you what I am going to be doing. So around my eyes I am going to be doing dragons, and they're going to be one fire and one ice dragon, and they're going to be colliding in the middle. I'm going to do some more details on the eyes just here to make this one look more like fire and this one more like ice. So let's go with that. So we'll start with the fire dragon. So taking red Snazaroo face paint, I'm going to draw out the dragon and where I want it to be, and then we're going to use oranges and yellows just to add more detail to the dragon and make him stand out a bit more.
In your mind running wild, I'll be there like the morning sun, just stay right by your side. Where you're lost and you cannot fight, in your mind running wild, I'll be there like the morning sun, just stay right by your side. Some people run, others just take the time. And if you feel like I do, you'll rise up to the sky. Where you're lost and you can't fight, in your mind running.
So now the red dragon side is done, we are going to flip and do the blue side now, which is the ice side. So let's go. So I'm going to take turquoise Snazaroo face paint to do this dragon, and obviously another small detail brush, just because obviously if you use a bigger one it's not going to work and your lines will be too thick.
Some people run, others just take the time. And if you feel like I do, you'll rise up to the sky. They're taking me higher, lighter. Learn to be true, searching for something deeper.
So now the dragons are done, I'm just going to add a little bit more details here and here, put some lipstick on and maybe a little bit on the nose just to create more of an ice and a fire effect. But here's the dragons. So I'm now going to take some white Snazaroo face paint and do some little snowflakes just to show that this is the ice side and not just a blue dragon.
Some people run, others just take the time.
So now I've done some snow, I'm going to do yellow and orange and do a little bit of fire lines just around the fire dragon.
Learn to be true, searching for something deeper.
So now the detail lines are in. Hoping you're all loving the look so far. Now it's just, I've got to put the eyelashes on and some lips on and we should be done. So I'll fast forward all of that for you now.
By your side.
And we're now done. So I have got 2 spooky baubles in, if you can see. Do have to have a little bit of spook. So I did red and blue, obviously to match the fire and ice. And the eyelashes are on. So here's the finished collab look, fire versus ice. So guys, if you do like what you see, please share it about, like it, rate it, comment, and please check the links below, find out and see and look at everyone else's collaboration looks. They will be posted, so please support everyone and please support me. But for now, this is the first of many collaboration looks with some MUAs. So, bye!
You can't buy, in your mind running by.